Hey guys, welcome to this new video and to the new year. It is officially
2017.
Yeah, this is officially 2017. That's my buddy Jack. So I hope you all guys have a good new year, and for me too, I hope I get a bit more views. I'm shaking the camera so much. I'm like, with the one hand, it's so cold out here. And I am wearing shorts. It is.
Yeah, look at all the snow.
Yeah,
too.
it's snowing.
That is just.
Look at all that.
That is unbearable.
And I'm just wearing shorts here. It's really cold, guys.
At least for
really
us,
cold. Yeah.
Washington life.
Yeah. So
Well, some parts of Washington get snow, but not where we live.
Yeah, but this is about like 500 feet elevation, pretty much. About. Okay, so what are we gonna do in this video? I want to do like.
Here, let's see if you can catch a pass. Here, let's put this.
It's
from a football. Let's see if you can catch a football. Let's see, is this good? That is grand.
Okay,
so go stand over there in that square. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, can you see me on camera right here?
Yes, just stay there, okay?
Ready?
You gotta catch this.
Okay.
Yes.
Yay.
Okay, now let's switch spots.
Okay. Wait, now I have to go. Yep. Okay, I'm not really good at football, but that's just hope it gets a lot of views. I'm doing this for you guys. I'm learning things. Oh, that was a good throw. That was an okay throw. Really just straight ahead. That was like the best throw. You guys know what I need? I need one of those mics that you just like attach to your boat or something, so that you can hear me even if it's all the way up there. So I just add the audio to the video. I need one of those because you can't really hear me from all the way over there. I don't think so.
Yeah, so you need to talk louder.
Yeah. Let's go.
You need to talk louder.
That was a bad throw.
So I don't know. Hey, come on.
I don't know why you take special places. You can just play catch that far. Oh, that's far. Oh.
Hey.
Ow.
You are yet to drop him.
I have not dropped one yet. I'm actually quite better than I thought.
Good start.
I thought I'm like not good at football. I don't really like it. Speaking of which, the Seahawks are playing right now actually. So
Yeah.
maybe it's I'm just getting lucky.
It was going horribly. Then we had the lead at halftime.
Yeah.
19-40.
So
That's almost over.
yeah, it's almost over. Okay, yeah, just toss it. Okay, what should we do in this video? This is like we should like celebrate in a way.
How?
I don't know. That's what I just asked you. Snowball fight with all this leftover snow that's on the ground. There's all that. Bit of that.
Take that.
Yeah.
Well, it's not.
No, take this and throw it at the camera, but not at the camera. Side like that. Yeah, like.
Good
Okay,
job.
never mind. Okay, so what should we do right now then?
I don't know.
Oh my God. Oh wait, look, there's a little kitty cat all the way up the street.
What? Kitty cat?
I can't get it on camera.
Oh, it's the rednecks.
Zooming out.
Last night they set off like fireworks right out in the road.
Yeah, like here, come look at this, guys. Yeah.
There's still debris?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. I saw some. Look at this. There's that
Yeah.
piece of debris. There's that. That's like fuse rope or
Look at all
something.
these little brown circles.
Yeah.
It's just horrible.
It's hard to see on camera, but.
Here, let me see if I can throw this into the yard. Watch
From
my
here?
quarterback skills.
Okay, wait.
That was terrible. That was terrible. I didn't let go to her. It went into the yard.
Okay, that wasn't too bad then. My hands are freezing right now.
You think you could do that?
No. I think. Do you know any tricks with your skateboard? No. Do you? I know you have one, right? Yo, that is so fast. I can't really get that on camera. But do you have one?
No, that was my lawn Hail Mary. Hey, are you guys Seahawks fans?
Yeah.
All 2 of the subscribers?
If you are Seahawks fans,
Comment down below and like the video.
and subscribe. Please subscribe.
If you're not, get the heck off the channel.
No, I still like you guys. You like me
Just
sometime.
not as much.
Yeah.
If you're like a Patriots fan, you suck.
You'll like me some point in time once I get better videos and actually edit them, because I don't know how to do that right now. I'm 11. Okay.
Once we become a bigger channel, then we'll be editing and we'll have like cool thumbnails.
Yeah.
But until then, we will remain as the shy little channel that nobody knows.
Oh man,
about.
this is zoomed in so much.
Like, if you go out and say, "Hey, do you know who Void X is?" Well, there are a ton of Void X's on YouTube.
Yeah, I know there's like this one singer, I think.
There are.
And I thought it was like a name that no one has ever come up with. I thought it was a name that I thought of.
No.
It ended up not being when I typed it in.
Yeah.
I didn't find my channel.
I still have to. If I want to look at the channel, I look up Void X pranks.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I have to do. But you still can. Look at that! How cool is that? It's like shaped like one of those.
One of those what?
It's them. One of those.
Another thing about the G6, the GX7 camera, is that it doesn't have straps, so you don't have to see straps hanging from the camera all the time like that. And yes, it is winter. I'm wearing sandals and shorts.
Because you are Matthew.
Yes, I am.
What's
And
your
that's
name?
my dress code.
Who's your face? Him. What?
What? Okay.
I don't like Pokemon.
So if you guys,
Pokemon, go.
if you
Use
guys,
confusion.
ah.
Yeah, I confused.
So if you guys, oh wait, what is this?
What?
This, what is that?
What?
I'm confused. What is that thing?
That's the camera.
Oh, okay. You were the one that got confused. Yeah, you're like, what is what? Okay, so, if you guys have any ideas of videos or pranks that we should do, please leave a comment for any pranks or videos that we could do at some point in time. What are you doing?
We need to end the video soon.
Yeah.
We only have 10 minutes left.
10 minutes?
I saw this funny dog meme. It was the dog was obviously baked, and he said, "Huh?"
Can you end it? Oh.
And he said,
I don't want copyright. No, I'm just gonna get it.
and he said, "It's not."
Okay.
And he said, so my owner said, "Where's the ball?" But like, why is the ball? That's a question no one will ever know. Why is the ball?
Okay. So guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. What button did I just click? Okay, that's good. I will see you next time. Peace.